Good morning. It is Friday, January 16th. Getting ready to trade the 4 a.m. session. Currently watching ACCL. Okay, this one opened lower. I'm also watching CGTL and VERO. ACCL is a nice setup. It's a recent IPO. $5 all-time high. It's a blue sky setup. Go ahead and jump in there. Hotkey didn't work. Why is my hotkey not working? Okay, not sure what's going on with that. Okay, I'm gonna watch ACCL for the breakthrough 8. I did hit my hotkey a couple times, nothing went through. Replugged in my keyboard, so that's what that's all about. VERO. See if we can get a pullback on this one, and then I'll jump in this one since I missed that initial pop. It's pretty extended right now. Back quite a bit on that one. I'll look at that. I think ACCL still has a lot of potential. We just got to give it a few minutes to hopefully curl back up. It'd be nice to see. Alright, so VERO. Alright, this 1 minute candle's 270. Could break through 279. Slack. Minute 282. I got filled on the down. Came back down. Went ahead and sold. There's a 20,000 share seller at 278. Was like that. I tried cancel, so I pressed my hotkey. I didn't get filled on the way up, and I hit cancel, but it didn't cancel it quick enough. So when it came back down, I got filled. Fortunate. I'm not sure why the hotkeys are so sluggish this morning with Webull. I'm not sure that's ever been the case. I suppose it could be my computer, but it shouldn't be. Got JAGX popping up. JAGX does. Still watching ACCL, like I said. Low is 640. Went ahead and jumped in JAGX there. 128. Actually hit the wrong hotkey there. I think between the computer, the keyboard, and me, none of us are quite awake yet, which isn't good. I meant to take 1,000 shares. I ended up only taking 100. But it didn't work out, so it was actually good. I'm gonna start watching ACCL. I might take a trade through the VWAP. It hit the VWAP and rejected. DIYA. This one looks a lot like SPHL did yesterday, but there's no volume. I got in ACCL there. In at 702. I want to see if this thing can retest 70, just see how high it can go. $50. Sold half right there. Actually looking to add to this. Add it there. With half at 8. Try getting 850. I'm gonna sell the rest. Look for this to move higher. At 1002. It's very, very choppy right here. Just 1070. I want to see if we can get through 11. There's 11. Sold the rest there. The thing is insanely choppy. So we popped through 11. We hit 1150. I didn't see 1150. I saw like 1120, and then it immediately rejected, like almost $1 a share. And then I saw a large seller on the level 2, so I got out. I need to change my hotkey real quick. Alright, so pump the brakes here. I want to see if we can get a 1 minute setup. We've been kind of just been buying on the move up, but I would like to see if we could actually get a 1 minute setup into something nice that looks like it's going to move a lot higher. I'd like to see it consolidate around the $10 level. It can break 10, but I don't want to see it get basically below the you don't want it to cross over VWAP, I guess. I was going to say I don't want to see it get below 9, but technically you could pull back below 9 and still be a good 1 minute setup, which is why I hesitated on saying that. So let's just see what it does. I'd like to see like one more minute of consolidation sideways, and then I would try to get in for the next like higher. It could go right here, but it would be better if it would just consolidate. It would actually be great if it would jut down to the VWAP, tap it, bounce off. Let's give it a second, see what it wants to do. I have the previous 1 minute candle is 10:28. Looks like it's gonna go early here, but I really rather see in on the next 1 minute candle to go higher. Okay, so we tapped 10:28, but we didn't break it. 6 more seconds. This does. So got in there at 10:30. So half. Can we break over 11? Minute 10:30. Sold half at 11:05. Oh, take a rest right there. Okay. There's a really nice exit on that first half I sold, 11:05. It was a 4-second trade, that first one. I held to see if it would move higher. Got out at 10:50, which is unfortunate. Would have been better to sell the entire position at 11:05, but kind of looks like the shorts are stepping up on this one, which is surprising given roller earlier this week, SPHL yesterday. There's been a few other hotter stocks. Also, if you look at the daily chart here, this thing IPO'd October 17th of last year, so it's only 3 months old. Has an all-time high of $5, double topped at $5, pulled back, and then yeah, I think it was after hours yesterday it broke that all-time high. So there's no upward resistance. I don't even see a daily trend line that's valid. Maybe that, but I think that's shooting way above where the price currently is, so I don't think we're even hitting that. It's a blue sky setup. There shouldn't be any overhead resistance. So it could be the fact that you have insiders who are on the IPO and they're trying to unload up here. Be kind of, well, I would say it's surprising people are waking up at 4 a.m. to do that, but I guess if you got alerts yesterday that this thing was cranking like it was, maybe you would sell this morning pre-market, but I don't know. It's odd that we have that much selling pressure that high given the context of this stock, but it is what it is. We trade what it gives us, the market gives us. I'm happy I did get some profit on that one. I was watching it in after hours from about 7 o'clock on yesterday. No, it was about 6, from about 6. No, 7. Yeah, 7's when it moved. Really nice move. Solid moves. This is pretty much what it looked like in after hours. Just 1 pullback, 2 pullback, 3 pull. This is actually an ABCD, so I guess 1 pullback, 2 or 3 pullbacks, but there's an ABCD right there. Beautiful pullback there. So I was excited to see what this one would do this morning, given that, and then given that it was a blue sky setup. Did have a nice move. Curious what it'll do in the 1150 range. I think it'll break through that. I think this market's hot enough right now, or I think the past 3 days have been hot enough that people are going to step up to the plate on this one. I think we just need more people to wake up and jump in. So I'll be curious what this thing does around 7 o'clock. But I'm out of buying power. Yeah, I have 200. My cursor over here on the left, I have $200 left. Profit from today looks like 500, 501.70. So happy with that. Happy with that. Some early technical glitches, but that trade on VERO, I think that was about a $70 loss. I lost 7 cents. Had about 1,000 shares. Really happy with how tight I kept that stop though. That's what I need to start doing and continue doing. So the only thing I'm disappointed on the VERO trade is I used buying power that I could have used for ACCL, but other than that, I'm completely happy and content with that trade. Having 1,000 shares and losing 7 cents, I'll take that all day long. JAGX, that was missed on a hotkey. Luckily, it actually worked out good though, because I meant to take 1,000 shares, only took 100. So I lost $12, $13 on that. And then we start getting into ACCL. First trade, I made 50 cents. Next trade wasn't great. Made 14 cents and then lost 5. Then that's when it started pulling away. About 70 cents there. And yeah, onward and upward. So that's gonna do it for me. $501 to end the week. Happy with that. Unfortunately, well, from a stock market perspective, it's a long weekend, so we won't be back at it until Tuesday. But it'll be nice to have a 3-day weekend, kind of mentally regroup, recharge, get some sleep. Wake up at 3 o'clock so I can trade at 4. And yeah, hopefully this momentum continues. This is exactly what I was hoping to see at 4 a.m. It moves like this. It's been about 3 months since we've had it, so it's very discouraging waking up at 4 or 3, trading at 4 every single day, and then just sitting here not doing anything. I was going to start recording videos last Friday. I haven't had anything to record. I've actually recorded every day since last Friday, but I don't have anything to post. It's me just sitting here basically watching paint dry. And I don't want to bore everyone, scare everyone away from the channel, so I'll get this posted though, and hopefully everything will continue the way it is. So, alright, thanks for watching. Everyone have a great weekend. Good luck trading the rest of today. See everyone back on Tuesday.